Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the topic in chapter 4, theoretical concepts of operating system. The topic is introduction to software, introduction to operating system, need for operating system, and uses of operating system. Today, the same chapter, theoretical concepts of operating system. This is the objectives. Today we see about the topic types of operating system. There are two types of operating system are used: single user operating system and multi-user operating system. And key features of the operating system. Today there are two key features only we see. Remaining we see about the next day. The key features, there are 6 key features are used. So today we see about the topic key features. First one is user interface and another one is memory management. Now we see about the types of operating system. Yesterday we saw what is operating system. So whenever you switch on your laptop, desktop, tablet, or even on mobile phone, you might have observed that it takes some time to load your home screen. Yesterday we saw this is the screen. So here your device is starting a software in the background, and its software will help you control your computer or mobile devices. Now the same operating system subdivided into two types of operating system. One is single user operating system and another one is multi-user operating system. So operating systems are classified into the following types depending on their processing capabilities. First one is single user operating system. So an operating system allows only a single user to perform a task at a time. For example, we use the laptop or a mobile device or a desktop. So only one user we use. So this is the single user operating system. It is called a single user and single task operating system. For a user, a task is a function such as printing a document, writing a file disk, editing a file, or downloading a file, etc. The MS-DOS is an example for a single user and a single task operating system. The next one is multi-user operating systems. The multi-user operating system is used in computers and laptops that allows same data and applications to be accessed by multiple users at the same time. The users can also communicate with each other. So nowadays, a lot of people will play the online game. That online game we communicate each other, and more than one persons will play the online game. That is the one best example of multi-user operating system. But this online game example is only the example. It's not an operating system. So all the games is one of the software. So yesterday we see about the software, application software. That type of software alone is the online game. It's just one of the example. We can access the multi-user operating system. So it's not a operating system. In the following, OS is best example of multi-user operating system. So Windows, Linux, and Unix are the best examples for multi-user operating systems. So this is the types of operating system. So types of operating system is over. So next, key features of the operating system. So the in key feature of the operating system, we say about the 6 topics. First one is user interface. Second one is memory management. Third one is process management. Fourth one is security management. Fifth one is fault tolerance, and last one is file management. Today we see about only user interface and the memory management. Now we see about user interface. User interface is one of the significant features in operating system. The only way that user can make interaction with a computer. If the computer interface is not user friendly, the user slowly reduces the computer usage from their normal life. There are 4 types of user interface are used: command line interface, menu driven interface, graphical user interface, and natural language interface. If the computer interface is not user friendly, the user slowly reduces the computer usage from their normal life. So this is the main reason for key success of GUI. GUI means graphical user interface is the based on operating system. So in our book, so only defined to the GUI. So GUI is a window based system with a pointing device to direct input output, choose from menus, make selections, and a keyboard to enter text. Its vibrant colors attract the user very easily. So beginners are impressed by the help and pop-up window message boxes. So icons are playing vital role of the particular application. So nowadays, a lot of people will install the graphics card in our laptop or any other tablet. So what is the use of install the graphics card? So this is the main reason of graphical user interface. So we install the graphics card means the system quality is increased. That is the main reason to use of graphical user interface. So nowadays, Linux distribution is also available as graphical user interface based operating system. So the following points are considered when user interface is designed for an application. The user interface should enable the user to retain these expertise for a longer time. The user interface should also satisfy the customer based on their needs. The user interface should save user precious time. So create graphical elements like menus, windows tabs, icons, and reduce typing work will be an added advantages of the operating system. The ultimate aim of any product is to satisfy the customer. The user interface is also to satisfy the customer. So the last point is the user interface should reduce a number of errors so committed by the user. With little practice, the user should be in a position to avoid errors. So error is the error log file. The next key features of operating system is memory management. So memory management is intended to satisfy the following requirements: relocation, protection, sharing, logical organization, and physical organization. Generally, memory management is the process of controlling and coordinating computer main memory and assigning memory block means space to various running programs to optimize overall computer performance. And the main memory means like a RAM, ROM, that like. So the memory management involves the allocation of specific memory blocks to individual programs based on your user demands. For in case user demand some of the programs we can allocate at the long memory space means the main memory management involves allocation to specific memory. So at the application level, memory management ensures the availability to adequate memory for each running program at all times. The objective of main memory management process is to improve both the utilization of the CPU and the speed of the computer's response to its users via main memory. For these reasons, the computers must keep several programs in main memory that associate with many different memory management schemes. The operating system is responsible for the following activities in connection with memory management. So first one is the keeping track of which portion of memory are currently being used and who is using them. That is the first one. The second one is the determining which process and data to move in and out of memory. That is for parts of processes. So the final one is allocation and deallocation of memory blocks as needed by the program in main memory. That is called garbage collection. So this is the main memory management. Today topic is over. Thank you.